Okay, I'm starting now. So I already explained some signal, 3-minute signal. So we have some more signal. All the weak candlestick are our signal. Our previous signal was this one, this one, this one. So we have another candle here, hammer candle, weak candle, hammer candle. Hammer candle is also a weak candle. So all these candles are our previous signal. When volume step by step high, so or when volume high than minimum previous two candlestick bar and any of this candlestick, then it was our uptrust signal. And when the volume condition is like this one high, and when volume become low, then it's our pseudo uptrust signal. And market condition any of this candle and volume is this one, so it's our pseudo signal, pseudo uptrust signal. So any of this candlestick, and in this case market must downtrend market. So this candle opposite candle is a hammer candle, and it's also a weak candle. So opposite of this candle, hammer candle, this one and this one. So these two candles are also our signal. This signal is called inverse uptrust or inverse pseudo uptrust signal. Inverse, that means opposite of this inverted hammer candle, that means hammer candle, two types of hammer candle. So if we draw this spinning top candle oppositely, we will get this same spinning top candle here also. That's why no need to draw here. But if we draw these two candlestick, we will get this type of dragonfly doji candle, this one and this one. Inverse uptrust, that means opposite of these candlesticks. So inverse uptrust and inverse pseudo uptrust. When any of these candlestick and volume high, then it's our inverse uptrust signal. So volume condition is this one and candle is any of this candle, and when volume is low, then inverse pseudo uptrust signal. So this volume and any of this candlestick, this volume and any of this candlestick. So now in the uptrend market, we have to take first signal candle was our hammer candle, this one. For downtrend, inverted hammer, bullish inverted hammer is our first signal candle, and in an uptrend market, hammer candle is our first signal candle, this one. Okay, two types of hammer candle. And spinning top candle. doji candle looking like hammer. That means dragonfly doji. This one and this one. Okay, these are our downtrend signal in an uptrend market. When volume high, then minimum previous 2 candlestick bar. It's a downtrend signal. When volume condition is low, then minimum previous 2 candlestick bar, then it's a pseudo downtrend signal. Okay, this one, any of this candlestick, this one volume condition, and any of this candlestick. So it was our previous signal candle and volume condition, and for today's signal inverse downtrend. That means inverse, that means opposite of this candlestick. That means inverted hammer candle, red inverted hammer candle. We have to take here this one, this one, and no need to draw this spring top candle, and the opposite of this dragonfly doji is a gravestone doji. This one, this one. Okay. When volume high, there is our inverse downtrend signal, and when volume is low, then it's a inverse pseudo downtrend signal in an uptrend market. Okay, volume condition is this one, and this kind of volume condition is this one. Now the main question is how we can handle this type of candlestick by the same way or little bit different way, and how many trade we can place after this type of signal candle: inverse uptrend signal, or inverse pseudo uptrend signal, or inverse downtrend signal, or inverse pseudo downtrend signal. So same thing as previous, same condition, volume condition same, and the way of placing a trade is the same condition, same thing, everything is same. So that's why we can summarize all these candlestick, and name is not a big issue. I am explaining it very easily, then it will more clear. Okay, suppose it's a downtrend market, a strong downtrend market. Market is falling down very strongly, and it's a pullback. Here to here, it's a pullback. So when market falling down, it's a pullback. So in this pullback area, if we get any weak candlestick, so any weak candlestick here to here, it may this inverted hammer candlestick, or it may hammer candlestick. All these these are all are very, very weak candlestick. So when strong, when sellers are very strong and buyers are very weak, then we can go with the sellers again. When, from where we can go with the sellers? Just from a resistance level we can go with the sellers. And we have to place our trade 3-minute trades to the same direction. So if we get any of these candlesticks, this one or this, any of these candlesticks here to here, exactly at this area, and volume mass, that means volume must high than previous 2 candlestick bar, or volume must low than minimum previous 2 candlestick bar, then it's our signal. No need to remember the name or something like that. Just weakness by the buyer side, and perfect hammer candle, perfect inverted hammer candle, perfect doji candle, and perfect spinning top candle. Then volume mass. Then we can go with the sellers. When sellers are very strong and it's the early stage of the market, from a resistance level, we can place our trade to the same direction of the trend. Okay, so now we can summarize all the things like this way, because name is nothing. Name is not a big issue. Everything is same. That's why we can summarize this one. Our first signal, this one, inverted hammer candle. So we have to draw first inverted hammer candle. Two types of inverted hammer candle. This one, hammer candle. This one, spinning top candle. Doji candlestick. This one. This one. Dragonfly doji. Two types of dragonfly doji, like this. Okay. So all the weak candlestick are our signal, and if any of these candlestick and volume high, then minimum previous two candlestick bar, then it's our signal. It may uptrend signal, it may inverse uptrend signal. When hammer, then inverse uptrend signal. When inverted hammer, then uptrend signal. So name is nothing, just any of these candlestick and volume is high. This is the very easy way to recognize and to remember. Any of these candlestick, market is strongly falling down. Any of these candlestick, volume is massive. So it's our signal. Now we have to search our resistance level in the downtrend market. When market hit the resistance level, we can go with the sellers for 3 minutes. All these candles are 3-minute signal. Okay. So when volume is step by step low, or any of these candlestick and volume low, then previous minimum 2 candlestick bar, then it's our signal. Okay. This one and this one. So it may uptrend signal or it may a pseudo uptrend signal or inverse pseudo uptrend signal. So, and if we summarize this one, our first signal, hammer candlestick, then this one, inverted hammer, spinning top, dragonfly doji, Gravestone. So any of these candlestick and when volume is high, then it's our signal. And when volume is low, then minimum previous 2 candlestick bar, then it's our signal. When hammer candle, then downward signal, and when inverted hammer candle, then inverse downward signal. When this candlestick and volume is low, then inverse downtrust or downtrust signal. So the market structure, market movement is important. So just we have to know when and how market changing its direction, and after changing its direction, when market is very strong by the buyer side, if any of this candlestick, so if any of this candlestick, then we can again go with the buyers when market hit any support level or came below to any support level. We can place our trade from any support level to the upward direction for 3 minutes. Here to here. Any of this candlestick, it may hammer, inverted hammer, spinning top candle, doji candle, and volume must match. That means the volume is high. Any of these candlestick here to here, volume is very high, then minimum previous 2 candlestick bar, then it's our signal. We have to wait. Suppose market create any this type of candlestick here, and our support is here. So when next candle hit the support level, then we have to go with the buyers below the support level for 3 minutes. Okay. So sometimes what happen, market start from here. It may create, okay, volume should be in front or back of important candlestick. In front or back, obviously in front. So I'm showing you the market movement is like this type of. Definitely previous candles volume, not so. Previous candles volume must high or must low. Suppose market is going to the upward, it's an uptrend market. So market break this level, breakout happen. After breakout, so market started to falling down like this from here. Okay, suppose market create no signal candle, this one not our signal candle. Okay, so this one our signal candle. Now after this signal candle, there is no candle here. So this candle volume we have to check. Suppose market create this candle's volume, this one, and previous candle is this one, this red, another red candle. So red candle volume is this one. Okay, so another previous candle is green candle. This green candle volume is this one. Okay, green candle have green volume bar like this one. Okay, so now this is our signal candle because this is a hammer candle and volume high, then minimum previous 2 candlestick bar, then it's our signal. So or previous all others candlestick bar. Suppose market creates so many candlestick here to here, and all the candles volume low, then this candle's volume, or minimum previous 2 candlestick bar. The previous 2 candlestick bar low, this signal candle volume high, or this candle's volume low. So this hammer candle volume low, then it's our pseudo signal. If low, then it's our pseudo signal. If high, then it's our downtrend signal, or inverse. In this case, it's a downtrend signal. So now signal candle completed and volume also matching. Now it doesn't mean that market started to going up from here. We can place our trade here to the upward direction 3 minute. No, our support level is here. Okay. Suppose market create another candlestick here and exactly close at this level like this. So when next candle little bit fall down, then we can place our trade here to the upward direction. So we have to follow one thing, that market got rejected like this and market goes up. Again started to going up from here. We have to place our trade here. So this is our signal candle. Before this candle, front of this candle, two candlestick, one red and one green. Two candlestick volume low and the signal candle volume high. Then it's our signal. So I think it's clear. Okay, so when market hit the support level, then we can place our trade here to the upward direction. But if we see market already created like this type of so many wave to the same direction, and it's the extreme resistance level, and the market is now here. So when although market create this type of candlestick, it's not a perfect place to go with the buyers, because when market came here, sellers may enter in the market very strongly and it may break this level and fall down also. Just we have to ensure that it's not an extreme resistance level, or it's not a last stage of the market like this. This wave is not a last stage of the market, it's just a minor level, and from this minor level, that means only one time reversal we see here. After that, it's a early stage of the market, buyers are very strong. So a market is creating like this type of candlestick. So after this candle, it's our signal. So when market hit any support level or came below any support level, we can go with the buyers. But if we see market already created 4 candlestick in a row or 3 candlestick, after that market create this type of candle here, fourth candle, and breakout happen. So that time it's not our perfect position for placing our trade. So after 4 candle, if we see our support is here, so it's a momentum. Immediately we have to check this level, which type of level this one, minor level or extreme seller centric point level. Although market give us a 4 candlestick, so when we see market already created 4 or 5 candlestick in a row, after that any signal candle, now this area is risky for us. So when we face this type of situation, we don't have opportunity to go with the buyers, because it's a momentum can break any types of level and market may fall down. That's why we have to observe this area, which type of area is this one, and this wave, last wave or not. If it's the last wave, that means market already created 3 or 4 waves, then we get a weakness sign here exactly at this area. After that market create this type of momentum, then when momentum, then we don't have opportunity. And when market condition is very strong, that time market start from here, goes up very strongly here to here, only we will get like 2 or maximum 3 candlestick. After that market again goes up, sometimes 1 candlestick, after that market again goes up, sometimes 2 candlestick, then goes up very strongly, again pull back, again goes up. And in this pullback area, we expect market will give us a very weak candlestick, and the weak candlesticks are our signal. So all these candlesticks, all these are our 3-minute signal. I already explained all these 3-minute signal and the way how we can place our trade in the market. So all these are 3-minute signal. So no 3-minute signal remaining. Okay. So when market create this type of momentum situation, then we don't have opportunity. And when we see after this type of one candle, second candle, market create this one, immediately we have to check this level, which type of level, this one below, here or here or here or here, more below. So when market hit that level, we can go with the buyers. Market again continue to the same direction. If this wave and this market is a very early stage of the market and it's a momentum, so then we can trust these buyers that market again continue and it will give us another wave. So this is the signal candle, 3-minute signal candle and volume condition, and way how we place our trade. This is the perfect way. And always we have to select the market when market is moving above 50 30 20, above 50 30 20, that means it's a strong uptrend market. And when market move below 50 30 20, then it's a strong downtrend market, trendy market. So this area, this area, this area, this area, and here this one, this one, this one, all these are support. If any signal candle here to here, this one support, place or trade here to the upward direction. We have to place or trade below the support level, and based on this this signal candle, bearish candle, market again continue. Okay, so in a downtrend market, same thing. This one here to here, all the bullish candle, and weak candlestick market create. So resistance level, we have to go with the sellers from this resistance level. So now I'm going to the chart. So this is the total area. It's the uptrend. I will start from here and stop here, and I will analyze by all each and every signal, and I will explain how it work and how it basically it work or not. All the signal candle. So down to up, up to down. So see here, previously the market condition was little bit ranging type situation here because these EMA lines almost flat here, like this type of. Okay, so finally slowly market started to going up slowly, and finally breakout happened. After that, market started to going up and all the EMA lines below and market is above. So if we start from here, so this one okay, so if we start from here, it's not a perfect signal. This one are perfect signal, this one. Okay, so previously market got rejected here, market goes up from this EMA line, and market after breakout, market exactly close here, market goes up. So again market create before the after this candle, market create here this candle. So 1 2 3 4 candlestick market already created here, and previously it was our sellers entry point level, previously this one, sellers area, sellers level. Okay, so this one level, After that, market fall down, and previous market slowly going to the upward direction, and another level is above here. If this level again, if this level and this level here, same area, same level here, so that time we have to take, it's a very strong resistance level, but it's a minor level, only one time reversal here, another level above. So market create 1 2 3 4 candlestick, but it's a support level, a strong support level. From this green one, from this rejection, market goes up, rejection, market goes up, exactly close at this level, market goes up. This 30 EMA acting as a strong support level here. So based on this signal, we can place our trade 3 minute to the position 1 2 3 win here. Okay, this one again another signal. So based on this signal, our support, where is our support level? We can take these candles 50% as our support level, or the very perfect area and perfect position is a strong SNR level, or buyer's entry point level. So is there any strong SNR level or not? I'm drawing here. So this is the support, breakout become a resistance, support after breakout become a resistance. It's a strong SNR level here. After this signal candle, when market hit this level, we can place our trade to the upward direction. It will continue the market to the upward direction. So after this candle, 1 2 3 win here or win here. So now this one, this is the splint inverted hammer type candle, volume not matching here. This candle's volume is I think lower than this one, but high than this one. So we have to avoid this one. Okay, market going up. Spinning top candle, volume not matching. So this one, volume matching, inverted hammer candle. So no need to remember the name. Name is not a big issue. Just weak candlestick, volume high than minimum previous two candlestick or not, or volume low than minimum previous two candlestick or not. So very perfect position is after this candle. This is a clear level, and this level is a round number level of the market. So this one our signal, this one also our signal. We can take this signal and this signal also, and we have to wait till market hit this level. When market hit this level, can here, then we can place our trade 1 2 3 win here, or 1 2 3 win here. If we place our trade exactly at this level here, based on this signal or this signal. So market again started to going up, and this one no signal candle, but volume not matching. We have to avoid. Okay, this one, yes, this one, signal candle. Very perfect position is here, but sometimes this 50% level also work because it's a strong candle than previous candlestick. So this candle is 50% is our signal. Or when this candle hit this level, the support level, sorry, not this one our signal candle. Based on this signal, we have to place our trade in this candle. So when this candle hit this level, then we can place our trade, or we can place our trade from this 50% level of this candle, because we know it's a hidden level of the market. Market again continue the same direction. No signal, no signal. Is there any signal? Yes, this one our signal. So based on this signal, so there is another hidden level also here. Okay. This is the shaving level of the market. So based on this shaving level, when market came below this shaving level, we can place our trade 3 minutes to the upward direction based on this signal, pseudo signal. So if we place our trade here 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, win here or here based on this signal, if we can place our trade here, because we have to place our trade as below as we can when market goes up. So now this one, this is looking like a hammer candle, but body and the wick same size, so we have to avoid this one. And same thing this one, if this candle wicks little bit large, then we can take, then it will our pseudo signal. But here it's not our signal. Now market again going up, no signal, no signal. Finally what happened, market trying to make a range here. When range breakout happened, see here, it's looking like a double top pattern, and previously it was uptrend. And when market create this type of situation, it's risky, because if we see this type of situation and neckline breakout happened, this is the top neckline breakout happened by third candle, so more chance market may fall down also. But it's looking like a range. When finally break this range, then again we can go with the buyers. Market came to this round number level. When market came to this round number level after a long uptrend, that time we don't have opportunity. We have to just wait and see and wait for a perfect opportunity. So when market falling down and it create low high, lower high, so high, lower high, but again failed. Market again break this level also. So first time break this one, and second time market again break this level also. So when market break this level, what happened here? Okay, this one. Okay, breakout happened. After breakout, market again goes up. So now this is hammer candle exactly at this level, exactly above this level. So it's our signal. So we can place our trade below this level here, this level or this level, below this level here to the upward direction. Why? Because finally market break this ranging type situation, ranging area, and buyers strongly break this level and going up. So it's a pullback. After pullback, this is our signal candle. So now we can place our trade from here to the upward direction. 1, 2, 3, win here. Okay. So this is a doji candle. Doji candle also our signal candle. So our support level is where? This one our signal candle, and our support level is here, because buyers entered from here. So based on this signal, when market hit this level, we can place our trade below here, here, here also to the upward direction based on this signal, because volume low here. Then minimum previous two candlestick bar. Okay. So market again continue to the same direction. Okay, market is going up. Okay, so each and every signal working perfectly, each and every signal. Just we have to recognize the perfect market, and we have to choose the perfect market and perfect volume condition, perfect signal candle. Okay, so this one, so when we see it was a uptrend market previously, so after this type of weakness by the buyer side, when the market changes direction by creating any candlestick pattern, as well as it's a downtrend situation, market created low, high, lower, high, lower, high, low. It's a chart pattern. So when market came to this buyer's entry point area, it's a buyer's level, buyer's entry point area. So and market create low, high, low, we don't have opportunity. But suddenly we get this type of ranging situation. When market create this type of ranging situation, then we have to wait. Market break the upper level or lower level. So now here market already breakout happened to the downward direction, lower level market break, and market is started to falling down. Now market came below the all the EMA lines. So when market after this type of breakout, market came below all the EMA lines. Now we have to search the bullish candle and we have to place our trade to the downward direction only based on this bullish setup. Based on this uptrust or pseudo uptrust or inverse uptrust, inverse pseudo uptrust signal, we have to place our trade to the downward direction, taking signal from the buyers. Okay, so this one our signal candle, volume not matching. We have to avoid this one. Okay, so no signal, no signal. Yes, this one signal. This is the hammer candle. Market created this hammer candle. Okay, and volume, same size volume. It's not high, not low. Avoid this one. Breakout happened. After breakout, this one. Okay, no hammer candle. It's okay, but volume not matching. We have to avoid. Okay, so this one, not this one. Volume high, then previous all other candles volume. So now we can place our trade. Sorry, we can place our trade based on this signal to the downward direction from a resistance level. If we see this candle little bit got rejected from here, we can place our trade to the downward direction. Or is there any level, another level? Okay, we can add trend line also, or strong SNR level also. Is there any strong SNR level? By trend line I have to draw. Okay, support, breakout, become a resistance. Okay, support, breakout, become a resistance. Okay, yes, we can place our trade here to the downward direction based on this signal. 1 2 3 win here. If we place our trade here above this level, it's a clear strong SNR level by trend line, because support after breakout now become a resistance. Okay, we can also win this trade by this way. Okay, market again falling down, no signal, no signal. Yes, this one looking like signal, but this candle, you have to take this candle little bit large wicks, this wicks little bit large wicks. So okay, and this one also signal, this one. So based on this signal, we can place our trade from here, from the above this level to the downward direction for 3 minutes. 1 2 3 win here. Okay, inverted hammer candle, pseudo signal, hammer candle, pseudo signal. So is there any level? Yes, and this candle 50% also level. Okay, and we can take this this level also. It's a resistance level. Previously this 50% level we can also take. Okay, based on this signal, when market cross this level, we can place our trade to the downward direction. Okay, so previously what we see, it was a strong uptrend market, up, and suddenly we get this weakness by the buyer side. After that, market create a evening star type setup. After that, market create this type of high, lower, high, lower, high. So it's a chart pattern of the market. So all these are confirming us, yes, market already changed its direction. We have to go with the sellers now by taking signal from the buyers. But here, yes, already market changed its direction, and here now market fall down, and market suddenly after this candle, market create another weak candle here. Okay, so if we analyze this area, is there any signal? So I think yes, this one, hammer candle, volume high. Okay, now we have to place our trade based on this signal. So this one our perfect resistance level. So when market create this candle, after that market strongly goes up. After a long fall down, when market can suddenly create this inverted hammer candle, we can check any level here or not by drawing a horizontal line here. Is there previous level or not? Okay, no level. Basically it's a minor level, no level. Okay, no level, it's okay, sometimes it may happen. No level, but we have to observe the market condition, market situation by little bit different way. So how we can analyze and how we can handle this type of situation. After this type of candlestick, market create this weak candle. So after that, market started to going up. So this is our signal candle. Based on this signal, we can place our trade below the level to the downward direction, above the level to the downward direction for 3 minutes. So based on this signal, if we place our trade here, definitely we can win this trade, because 1 2 3 third candle close here, but it's not a perfect way for placing our trade here to the downward direction, because it's our signal candle, it's okay. But here it already create a very strong candle after this candle. That means market became stronger here after a long fall down. When market uh, give us a weak candle, then market started to go up. So after this candle, market create another bullish candle here. It's a 1 2 3 4 candlestick in a row. But here to here, when market was very strong, if we analyze even here to here, I think there is no this type of 4 candles in a row. See here. Okay, if I start from here, one candle, then market fall down, one candle fall down, one candle fall down, one candle fall down. It's a psychological movement here to here. After each and every bullish candle, market falling down, falling down, falling down. Okay, so after two candlestick, one bearish. So it's not a momentum, no 4 candles in a row. After two bullish candle, it's a bearish. So after two bullish candle, bearish, one bullish, one bearish, bullish, bearish. So no this type of situation here to here. So now when market create this type of situation, 4 candlestick in a row, so now we have to think that market may change its direction and market goes up. So it's not our perfect market now for placing our trade to the downward direction. So we have to stop here or stop here. So if we fail to analyze the market very perfectly and carefully, so we may lose this trade also. But if we place our trade here based on this signal here to the downward direction, definitely we win. But we may lose also, because already market created a momentum type situation, and market may break any types of level and goes up. So that's why when market create this type of situation, based on this type of analysis, market is no strong by the buyer side. So here suddenly became stronger, then finally market goes up, market changes direction. So here to here, I already analyze the market. Here it's an uptrend, here to here. So I think almost all trades are winning trade if we can analyze the market very perfectly. So these are all are the 3-minute signal, and this is the way we can place our trade based on this signal candle in an uptrend market and in a downtrend market. So I already explained how market changing its direction, and when market becomes stronger by the buyer side, we have to change our mind and we have to go with the buyers based on any signal from the seller side. So this is all about today's session. I think everything is clear. So now I'm going to close today's session here. Thanks everybody for joining today's session.